Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys the 3 top tips all Gmail users will require on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So on this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer and account for Gmail. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to the alternative web browser, which is Google Chrome. Click on this. Wait for that to load, then go to the top right corner. Click on Gmail. And then make sure that you are signed into the account. So when we, let's just say, compose an email, the first thing you would see is a small screen in the bottom right corner of the email window. Let's click on compose, and there we go. So now if I want to default to full screen, click on those 3 dots, click on default to full screen. So when I now compose a brand new email, we are then already in full screen mode. The next is a signature, which you would need to physically add into the settings for it to then show up. So let's just compile an example email to the admin. Subject will be signature. Dear admin, I hope that this email finds you well. Please see the signature. On file, kind regards. And then go to the bottom of your screen, insert signature. We have a signature on file, which I've now inserted. We can also manage the signatures, which will take us to the settings, which we can navigate from the top right cogwheel. See settings, scroll to signature, and then we can then create a brand new signature. Physically add in a new signature, images, links, assign to the center, left, right, and then we would then need to go to the bottom of the page and click on Save Changes for that to take effect. Let's go back to Inbox, and there we have it. So we can then click on the X to have that email saved in the drafts. We can also see that we have many tabs available on screen: primary, promotions, social, updates, and forums. The first time you create an account for Gmail, you would only have one tab. You would then need to, let's just say, go to settings, see all settings, inbox, and then we have categories, which have now all been selected. So we then have our emails categorized into categories. If I were to, let's just say, click on or click off these and then save changes, go back to my inbox, you can then see the inbox is all cluttered all over the place. There is no room for any sort of organization. But if I were to, let's just say, go back to settings and then inbox and click promotions, social, updates, forums, go to save changes, and then go back to the inbox, we then have everything categorized into primary, promotions, social, updates, and forums. So these are these 3 tips that I think all Gmail users should use or make use of when it comes to compiling an email, whether it's in full screen or has been defaulted to full screen. Being able to select your signature in real time and not having to create one all the time, and also categorizing your emails into different subsections and tabs. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys on the next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.